Hi everyone, my name is Sanmishwar Kalyani and I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication. Currently I am a fresher. Today I would like to introduce to a mini project that I have been working on. Name of the mini project is Calculator Application Using Kivy Framework. So, as the name suggests, this application serves as a calculator, allowing users to perform various mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. To develop this project, I utilized the Python programming language along with the Kivy framework. Kivy is an open source Python library for rapid development of applications that make use of innovative user interfaces. By using the Kivy framework, I was able to create an user friendly calculator application. Let's take a look at how this calculator application works. So, let's run the project. Now, we will see a screen with a text input field and several buttons representing numbers and operators plus, minus. Let's perform some operations. 7, 4 plus 8, 5 equals 159 minus 27 equals 132. Divide 6 equals 22. Multiply 8 equals 176. And C is the clear button. So, during the implementation of this project, I not only gained the proficiency in Python but also acquired new knowledge and concept related to the development process like familiarity with the Kivy framework and its features for creating interactive user interfaces, understanding the concept of event handling and binding in Kivy to enable button functionality, utilizing box layout to organize the user interface elements effectively, applying string manipulation techniques to handle user input and evaluate mathematical expressions, and finally, the calculator application project has allowed me to enhance my Python skills and explore the capabilities of the Kivy framework. So, that's all about my project. Thank you so much.